Welcome to another learning time with Miss Blessing. In today's lesson, we are going to be building up our underwater vocabulary. In today's lesson, we're going to be building up our underwater vocabulary. We're going to discover words used under the sea or in the sea and try to use those words ourselves. So by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to list and discuss about the underwater terms you have visualized. You should be able to analyze and group adjectives and verbs used to describe the sea creatures, meaning you should be able to explain what adjectives and verbs was used to describe sea creatures. You should also be able to generate your own water terms and use them to create your own sentences. Welcome to today's lesson. Okay, I've got some headings here. The first is colors, plants, movements, animals, and lights. What are you going to do with this heading? You're going to collect adjectives. What is an adjective again? It's a describing word. Thank you. An adjective describes a noun. So you're going to collect adjectives and verbs. What are verbs? It's an action word. Thank you. It tells us what someone or something is doing in a sentence. So you're going to collect adjectives and verbs under the headings above as we watch life in the sea discovered by some deep sea divers. These words will help you develop your own underwater setting because very soon you're going to be writing your own story created in the sea. So you're going to collect words under colors. What colors do you hear or see as you watch the video? What plants do you hear or see? What did you hear about or see? What movement was mentioned? What animals did you see? And which ones were mentioned? What lights did you see? So collect all these under these headings. Now, here is a link for you. This link takes you to a video that describes the ocean, the life in the ocean. Collect adjectives and verbs under the headings I showed you previously as you watch the ocean life discovered by the deep sea divers. These words will help you develop your underwater setting. So pause the video here and have a go. Watch the video. It's almost an hour video, so you could just watch it for like 10-15 minutes and then proceed to collect and write down the adjectives and verbs as you watch. Welcome back. What words did you find as you watched the video? Are there some you don't know their meaning? Use a dictionary to help you figure those out and try using them in your own sentences or when speaking. Remember, the dictionary gives you every information you need about the meaning of words. And here is our task. Choose anyone that challenges you. Task 1. List and discuss about the underwater terms you have visualized, that is, you have watched. Analyze and group the adjectives and verbs used to describe the sea creature on one part, the adjective on the other part, the verbs. Talk about them, write about them. What were they describing? What actions were they commenting on? Then generate your own underwater terms now that you've watched the video. What other underwater terms do you know? Write those down and use them to create your own sentences. Okay, and that is the end of our lesson for today. I bet you have learned something amazing from that video and generated lots of adjectives and verbs used to describe life in the sea. And please let me know how you felt about today's lesson. And this is me saying goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye.